Hello everyone. We have an algebra question. If p to the power of 8 is 1, then what is p? So let's get started. First of all, we move 1 to the left side. It's become p to the power of 8 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, according to property of exponent, a power of m raised n is equal to a to the power of m times n. Then it becomes, I arrange to p power of 4 square minus 1 square. And now based on an identity, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now it can be written as p power of 4 minus 1 times p to the power of 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, go on. Again, I can write as p square times square. I mean p square square minus 1 square times p to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, this part can be written as p square minus 1 times p square plus 1. again and again. This part I can write as p minus 1 times p plus 1, and the rest are so now we have 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name it A, B, C, and D. Then we will solve each of them. For A, p minus 1 is equal to 0. Because if p minus 1 is 0, then 0 times any number is equal to 0. So p is 1. That's it for A. For p plus 1 equal to 0. Then p is equal to minus 1. Name it P1 and this P2. For C, p square plus 1 or p square is equal to minus 1. We know that if A square is equal to C, then A is equal to plus minus square root of C. Thus, P is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1. Plus minus mean p square root of minus 1 and p square root of minus, I repeat, p is equal to minus square root of minus 1. Name it P3 and P4. For D, p to the power of 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Then p power of 4 is equal to minus 1. I can write as p square. Then p square is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1. Plus and minus mean p square root of minus 1 and p square is minus square root of minus 1. I call it this. D1 and D2. For T1, P square is equal to square root of minus 1. Then P is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1. Square root of square root, like this. Plus minus means P is equal to square root of minus 1, and P is minus square root of minus 1. Name it P5 and P6. For T2, P square is equal to minus square root of minus 1. So, P is plus minus square root of minus square root of minus 1. Again, plus minus means P equal to square root minus square root minus 1, and P minus square root minus square root minus 1. Name it P7 and P8. Now we can call it for the answer B1, B2, B6, B7, and B8. B1, 1, B2, minus 1, B3, square root of minus 1, B4, minus B5, and then B5, square root, and 1, B6, minus square root of minus 1, B7, square root minus square root minus 1, and the last one, P8, minus square root square root minus 1. That's the answer. But actually, we prefer using I for square root of minus 1. Then, for example, P8 minus square root minus square root minus 1 minus square root minus I. Then minus square root minus 1 time square root I. Remember, square root of A times P is equal to square root A times square root P. So we add this minus I square root of I. Then P7 I square root of I. So the final answer is P1 minus 1 I minus I P5 square root of I P6 minus square root of I P7 I square root of I, and the last one minus I square root of I. That's final answer. So thank you for being with me, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.